Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Zhang. My major is Information Engineering. I want to introduce you to the M4 CCNA networking. Over the 5 days, I learned topics like IP addressing, network application communications, redundant networks, available and reliable networks, L2 security and wireless LANs, routing concepts and configuration, and WAN concepts, with daily packet tracer labs to reinforce learning. Each day concludes with a quiz and logbook. By attending, I get the knowledge of CCNA networking, real-world troubleshooting experience, and a strong foundation for advanced networking roles. Day 1, I focused on IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. Firstly, I calculated IPv4 subnets. This skill is critical to understand how IPv4 networks operate. Then I efficiently allocated variable length subnet. This technique helps reduce IP waste in enterprise networks. Finally, I practiced assigning and troubleshooting IPv6 addresses. Day 2, I focused on ICMP, transport layer, and STP concepts. Firstly, I verified both IPv4 and IPv6 addressing schemes. It is essential for network troubleshooting and maintenance. Then I used PIN and traceroute to test network connectivity. These are valuable tools for real-world network diagnostics. Then I learned TCP and UDP communications in detail. In addition, I investigate STP loop prevention. Day 3, I focus on Ether channel, DHCP-V4, and FHRP concepts. Firstly, I explore how to troubleshoot and implement Ether channel is useful for network redundancy. Then I implemented DHCP-V4. DHCP is useful for network administrators to manage and automate the assignment of IP addresses. Finally, I investigate HSRP configuration and learned how to ensure continuous network availability. Day 4, I focus on wireless LAN configuration and troubleshooting static and default routes. Firstly, I successfully configured a wireless network. Then I learned centralized management of wireless networks by configuring a basic wireless LAN on the WAC. And I also acquired skills to implement robust wireless security in corporate environments by configuring a WPA2 enterprise wireless LAN on the WLC. Finally, I explored how to configure the wireless LAN. Day 5, I focus on NAT for IPv4 and WAN concepts. Firstly, I investigate NAT operations. Then I acquired skills to expose internal resources securely to external networks and conserve public IP addresses efficiently by configuring static NAT and dynamic NAT. What's more, I configured PAD. I also configured NAT for IPv4 and developed end-to-end NAT implementation skills. Finally, I investigate the concepts of WAN. This program helped me master core networking fundamentals, implement advanced network solutions, and develop NAT and WAN expertise. By completing all labs in packet trace and physical simulations, I get a practical experience in CCNA networking and develop a lot of career-ready skills. That's all. Thank you very much.